The world is suffering right now. The world is hurting a lot deep down where fear is multiplied by lockdown. Amidst all the pain, can you hear that pitter-patter of little feet as they travel through feeder patterns year after year? What are we feeding the patterns of the children we hold dear? As class is disrupted, friendships put on pause, celebrations are canceled, learning is lost. As students scroll through tablets, looking for more, and the world doubles its hurts, remodeling their cores, we must stop, look back, and say we need you. We're sorry. The world is a mess, and you, without doubt, are the very best chance we've got. We know security is not what a note says we own or the hearts that appear in the light of our phones. It's relationships that empower and expand comfort zones. Beyond red lines on papers, beyond red lines on maps, beyond society's faulty COVID-revealed cracks. Yes, the world blocks out brown futures, shoots down the beauty of black, but we won't just ride our white horses while the horizon's attacked. Now is the time to give more than talk, to show up for our young and help them to walk through pitfalls and pandemic, from cradles to careers. We will not be stopped by a virus or society's fears.